Assalamu alaikum, good morning everyone. Nature became unique with the bright sweetness of winter, not only sound, but his alertness and dedication to our most required. Assalamu alaikum, my dear respectable teacher, judge, and my dear lovely audience. This is Niloy in front of you today. Our debate topic is cool weather better than is summer weather. I am from opposition team of the motion. First of all, actually sir, I think cool is very comfortable for me and everyone because we all know that Bangladesh is major agriculture country. In the cool season, all farming family over enjoyed, but they doesn't on have hot day because in winter farmer work hard to grow vegetable and improve their finance, but farmer do not get that benefit on hot day. So cool season is very comfortable for all farming family and me and everyone. Second, cool is also important for student because beside education, sports is very important for student. There are many places to play. Sports is winter, but not on hot day because many problem on hot day, storm, it's rain, and etc. So cool weather is very important for student and all farming family and me and everyone. Third, there is Islamic greeting in every village in winter. What happen in summer? And we all Muslim are very important our Islamic greeting. So cool is very important season every Muslim and every all farming family and student and everyone. Moreover, waste over the winter day is very low. Cold is obviously love the cold. I love getting is better and freezing cool seat. At night the getting slowly warmer. I love getting out of the bed in the morning in a ice cool room. It makes me feel energetic to white air. I never ever turn on the air registration in my bedroom. My favorite type of day, I clear in bright and freezing. I am also happy with cool and cloudy, cool and sunny and cool and rainy. Number 5, there are no shortage of water, suitable are farming, save electricity and number requirement for the cooler, AC freeze and number working colorful dress. Too short about cool weather is better than summer weather. Actually time is very short. So see you in the next debate competition. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.